Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the PDF page size and printer capabilities. Open the PDF and the print dialog. Select the exact paper size that matches the PDF. Once done, pick the correct printer driver and paper tray because margins depend on hardware. Make sure scaling is set to 100% or actual size and disable any automatic fit to page. These first steps align digital layout with physical limitations, so later margin removal works predictably. Now remove software-imposed margins by changing scaling and page setup. You tell the app to print at actual size. That prevents automatic shrinking. Then set page setup to the PDF's exact paper size, and if the printer supports borderless, enable it. Next, open the printer's advanced properties and set all margins to 0 or the minimum allowed. Some drivers call this no margins or full bleed. If the driver lacks 0 margins, plan for a slight crop or use a PDF editor to adjust trim boxes first. Finish by previewing and testing a single page. You should inspect the print preview for any unwanted white borders. If present, recheck scaling and paper size. Print one test sheet to verify edges. If content is clipped, increase the PDF canvas slightly or enable borderless mode. Make small adjustments to bleed and trim boxes in a PDF editor so the printer can reproduce full bleed prints. If problems persist, update the printer driver. Try a different application or consult printer specs as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.